Alright everybody, thanks for joining in on the break. It's 2012-13 Upper Deck the Cup. This is box 1 from the case. The last team that ended tonight was on eBay. Ended at February 23rd at 8:44. It was the Winnipeg Jets. There's no serial numbers. They'll be pulled out of the case here in a second. And the current time, Sunday, February 23rd at 11:23. So, what I'll do, guys, at the end of the video is I'll show the serial numbers of the other boxes, and then I'll designate a night for them. I'll basically just grab one off the top for tonight's break. And, I better open the camera up so you can see the tape a bit better. Alright. So, here we go. Okay, guys, this will be tonight's, and then I'll go through the numbers for the rest of them at the end. Sometimes there's stuff really good on here. Start off with the ultimate pack. Come on. Alright. From the ultimate pack, first card's base card for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. It's number 13 of 399. Then we have a nice dual rookie patches for the Ottawa Senators. It's numbered 11 of 35. It's Jakob Silfverberg and Mark Stone, 11 of 35. Nice looking card. And on the cup, alright. First card, base card for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom, number 28 of 249. Nicholas Lidstrom. And we have a rookie autograph patch For the Dallas Stars, Brendan Dillon. It's number 199 of 249. Brendan Dillon. Dallas. For Pittsburgh Penguins, Jaromir Jagr, signature patches, number 2 of 35. Nice one. Another nice one. Enshrinements for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. It's number 450. Jersey numbered 450. We have gold base parallel for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. It's number 23 of 25. And for the Phoenix Coyotes, Michael Stone, rookie patch auto, 85 of 249, two color for Phoenix. I think Phoenix went to for like $4 or something, so it's definitely a nice pickup for Phoenix. And box 2's on tomorrow night, guys. Don't forget to check out the website, capecards.com. There's a case break of Dominion posted on there. The break will be happening on Thursday night, Friday morning. Should be Thursday night unless something comes up. But this will be box 2 for tomorrow. Because I already got the auction uploaded, so I didn't have the serial numbers. This is the one that I'll do tomorrow night. 199873926. And then the third night I will do this one. This will be box 3. 195094257. That will be number 3. Number 4 will be 199870351. Box 5 will be 199870959. And last but not least, box 6 will be 195159938. So that's it, guys, for tonight's breaks. And once again, thanks to everybody that went in. And see you again tomorrow night. Have a great one, guys.